Hi guys, Ronda Winstead here with you, and today I want to give you an update on my studio. Oh my gosh, this has been crazy. I've spent weeks in here just not liking a whole lot, but I'm really happy and I want to show you some of the things that I have done to change things up. So let me change the... Okay. So let's get started. Some of this you have seen before. This is my desk. Off to the left, I have glue sticks. I have pens and markers and various things of that nature. I've got on top, well, you can see my light. I love the light. It's so good. Got colored pencils, and these are a color, kind of a crayon thing. And you can see in the background, there's a stained glass window that I look out of. I purchased that many years ago, and I absolutely love it. So coming down, this old beater thing is a wonderful army. I have to take it back here. I have to take it back so you can... Oops, wrong way. Oh, wow. Okay, look at that. Okay, so as you can see with my desk, I have lots of storage underneath. I have bags underneath. I have large glassine bags that I sell in my shop, and I have white paper bags. I put my computer over to the right, and I'm loving where it's at now because it's very handy. Got my mouse here. This is just a fun... You guys, I hadn't done any paper piecing for years, and I just got a wild hair, and I did this one yesterday, getting ready to put it on one of my altered book pages. Isn't that cute? Just cute. And this design, this is my tree. I designed this several years ago. Okay, so moving over, you guys have seen this. So we've got my table. Dave has installed the light for me underneath, and I have really good lighting here now. If you look over to this direction, you'll see this is my video camera setup right here. And it turns my video, let's see, well, it's too far to reach, and I don't want to jerk the camera around, but the arm turns and goes so that it can go over my sewing machine too, so that I can, when I am sewing, that I can share that with you. If we go up, let's see, I'm going to stand up now. Trying to do this carefully, you guys. It's crazy. It's hard. I'm like, I just want to hurry up through it. So I've got journals that I'm working on. I've got journals that I've done in the past, little bits and pieces. There's not like... My organization isn't perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but I'm having fun, and it feels good, and so I'm okay with that. So on the very tip top here, there's a picture of my mom and stepdad. They've both passed. And my rock people, not rock people, my metal people. Okay. So coming down again, we've got the sewing. All of my sewing drawers are here. I love this. It's so handy. So I have plenty of storage for my sewing supplies and whatnot. I have some room down here that I can still put things. My garbage can is, it is what it is. I used to have a kind of snug under and covered, but I don't really have a good spot for that, at least not yet. And I have some threads and extra things here and a few sewing things behind my machine. But everything is I'm okay with it. So, and moving over, I've changed out. I bought a unit that I have drawers that pull out. So I've got things in the drawers, and this is where I iron papers and iron the fabrics and whatnot. This goes to our outside deck. We need to do a lot of work on that. Here, this is cool. I have room here, as you can see. This was all stuffed full of stuff. And now it's mostly empty. These books here, I bought in an antique store. I have to take pictures and show Rachel and see what she thinks of them. They're 18 and hundreds. And I want to verify with her before I put them in my Etsy shop, but they're in really great shape. I just haven't done it because I've been cleaning. Cleaning and organizing, my dears. Okay, so continuing on, I have some of my glassine bags that I sell and receipts and different things. CD envelopes in this top drawer that pulls out. In the next one, I have altered papers. We'll just pull this. Just all kinds of, it just is neat and organized, and I'm just like, love it. And then we have scrap fabrics that I use a lot. I have them color coordinated, and then some piles are on top of other colors, but I use those a lot. And then I have my quilting fabrics. This is pretty much all that I have pared down to just a little bit. Coming from where I had whole walls with bolts of fabric, this is not a lot. And then I have brown paper bags in the bottom there. Then moving over, look guys, I am so happy. Let me take this back so you can see. Oh, I am loving this now. So nice. So I have just got containers. Most of these I had, and so I'm just reusing, reorganizing. I've got my fabric, or I already told you about my fabric. I have my small books. I have old diaries. I have books that I have been using to tear up, those that have needed a lot of love, the old ones that you really can't use as they are, so they're generally thrown away, but I have a stack of those, so it's easier to use. And then I have a few more fabrics up here in those two top white. Those are the other scrap fabrics that I have. I have some zines. I used to do zines a lot. I've got just odds and ends of everything. I've got more room. Some of these are empty, some are not. And here are my super scrap fabric bins that I have that I've been sharing with you guys a lot. I still have more, and I will continue to share those as I go. Now, this particular shelf is full of things I've created, samples or little whatnots, just little bits and pieces. And so I will be sharing more of those. I have them now in an order where I can put them in journals and whatnot. Up here, I have my wax for sealing. Wait, that's up here. Right there in those two big white tins. These are more supplies right here. This is just more paper supplies. I've got beads. I've got a bunch of just various things. I've got stamp pads from my Stampin' Up! Days. I've labeled a lot of things. I've used a lot of my shoe boxes. Oh, I'm jiggly. Sorry. I am so sorry. This is just really hard for me to move around and show you all the fun things. And then this used to be my ironing station, and I have switched it. It's by the door. This goes into the hallway. Over here, this is my coffee dine and other dine area on that table. These papers here, let's see if you can see them. Those are scrap papers that I have used with my coffee dine, and I just need to do, I just need to get those organized a little bit more. The dresser drawers now have all my quilting blocks and whatnot. So this is one of the things that I am clearing out. As you can see, I have a lot. And there's more. So sorry. In every drawer. Okay, over here on the back side, I have more drawers. And these are my specialty papers and different things that I've painted. These are some of my Etsy things. These are my stencils and whatnot. This is just a blank space. Haven't figured out what to do with it yet. Over here, I have my printer. I have a scale for when I mail things out. So I'm set up that way. Here is my paint caddy, and it pulls out. Very nice. The wheels were not working on it, and so my sweet hubby went to the trouble and ordered some new wheels and put them on for me. These are some of my zine little card holders. ATC card holders, fun things that way. And then, of course, my TV. So let's get back. So this kind of gives you an overview of the room. I feel like I have scads of room now. And I'm so excited about that. So here I am sitting on my chair. And now I'm going to turn this around. Okay. And that's it, my friends. I hope that you have enjoyed this a little bit. I love you guys, and I'm sorry that I have been so wrapped up in different things that way that I haven't had really an opportunity to do a lot of how-to videos, but I am hoping that now, take a deep breath, that we can do a little bit more of that. So just know I love you. All right. Bye-bye, guys.